Hello, welcome to our last lesson on volume, and this is on capacity. And the idea of capacity is actually very, very similar to our volume, all of our work on volume thus far, except capacity is the amount of fluid or gas, like liquid or gas, that a container can hold. And the difference is that when we do our volume, you measure it in units cubed or so centimeters cubed, meters cubed. Whereas now what we're changing it, you'll notice up here, we're changing it to litres or megalitres or millilitres. And it's just basically converting our normal volume into that units. And so primarily most of our capacity questions work around the idea of finding a volume and then converting it into litres or millilitres or kilolitres. So really the conversion is as much, in fact, most of the problem. And that's where it's basically, here's just another one of our lovely little tables as we've done before. And to rerun, we know that in 1 litre there's 1,000 millilitres. In 1 kilolitre there's 1,000 litres. In 1 megalitre there's 1,000 kilolitres. See, it goes up in thousands, milli to litre to kilo to mega. All of those just mean it's 1,000 difference. But there's one little trick here, and this is probably the most important bit, and I'm going to get a bit of a highlighter. One centimetre cubed, takes up 1 millilitre of space. And so down here, 1 centimetre cubed takes up 1 millilitre. And we know that 1 metre cubed takes up a kilolitre. So if you make any measurement that's either in centimetres cubed or metres cubed, you can directly swap them into kilolitres or millilitres. And that's a really, really important bit. Hence the reason I highlighted it. Please copy it down somewhere. Make it big and purdy. Okay. But let's do some simple problems on that. 3,400, convert 3,400 millilitres to litres. So 3,400 millilitres to litres. So if we're going from millilitres to litres, we divide by 1,000. So that's 3,400 divided by 1,000 equals 3.4 litres. Now some of you might be fortunate and be able to do this in your head. However, there's always our conversion table to help us out. Here's a cheeky one, because it's 2.9 metres cubed, and we have to turn that into litres. Now, there's no metres cubed here, but we know that metres cubed translates directly, in other words, for a 1-for-1 ratio to kilolitres. So 2.9 metres cubed is the same as saying 2.9 kilolitres. And once we're at kilolitres, to go to litres, we times by 1,000, and we end up with 2,900 litres. Easy. Now let's do a simple question that asks you, and this is very important. It doesn't say find the volume, it says find the capacity. But in order to find the capacity, 1, we need to find the volume. And then 2, we need to convert to litres or millilitres or kilolitres and so forth, so on. So here, let's first find the volume. Now we know the volume of any rectangular prism is going to be area of the base times height. So volume is 12 times 5 times by how deep it is, 26. Let's type that into our calculator. 12 times 5 times 26 is 1,560 centimetres cubed. So that's the first part. Now we have to do the second part. So we've done it, we've found our volume. Now we have to convert to our metre, litres, litres, so forth. And we know it's centimetres cubed, so let's go all the way back down here again. Centimetres cubed is converts directly to millilitres, therefore 1,560 centimetres cubed is going to be 1,560 millilitres. But is that what the question asks? No, because it's asking in litres. So now we have to convert that into litres. So to go from millilitres to litres, we have to divide by 1,000. Divide by 1,000, which equals 1.56 litres. Hope that helps.